afternoon, everybody. Happy Merry Christmas Eve. I'm just starting real quick because we have several tornado warnings. I'm skipping the intro. Usually we have a quick intro. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's doing having a good Christmas Eve day. We still are having a Christmas. We still are having a Christmas stream tonight. So stay tuned to that. But make sure you guys hit that like button. Today I just skipped the intro because there's already several tornado warnings. We need to talk about this. Is my system up working? It's a severe thunderstorm warning. Is there a severe thunderstorm warning? I hope everybody's doing well. Let's get right into it. There's one in Florida. Okay. So, I am James the Weatherman. Welcome. I haven't streamed in a while. I hope everybody's doing good. Merry Christmas to everybody in the chat. Thank you. I will say hi to each and every one of you. Just say hey. Hey Jonathan. Hey Harami. Hey Heather. Hey football fan. Hey Bobby. Thank you guys for all tuning in. Let's get right into the weather. So there's several tornado warnings. Let's switch to this. They updated recently. They updated this program, WSV3. So, hello, Caleb. I don't like the new update, how they have it set up, but let's, we have 4 tornado warnings. All the tornado warnings, or all the warnings watches, will be scrolling at the bottom of the screen. They're updated every 5 seconds, like you would see on TV. So they're updated every 5 seconds. But we're going to look into, these are all radar indicated, until about 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. That would be 3 p.m. to 3:15 Central Standard Time. Let's look at the base velocity. Let's see if we can see rotation in the spots that they are suggesting. We might have a little bit of rotation here. That's some range folding, so can't really tell. We might have a little bit right here. Welcome, Scotty. Let's look at this. This is an area concern. These are quick-moving storms. This is actually a very large line. There's snow in this line to the northwest of it, and there was a tornado watches out for down here in Louisiana earlier this morning. That has since moved its way. There is a severe thunderstorm warning here to the east of Tallahassee, right kind of on that line of the I-10. So if you know anybody traveling from Tallahassee to in that area, we're looking at a tornado possible. At 2:36, a severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from 9 miles northwest of Monticello, that's up here, to 9 miles south of St. Mart's, moving east at 35 miles per hour. That is tornado possible. I only see a little bit of rotation here. Not too worried about that. I would be more concerned about these tornado warnings up here. So if you're in the North Carolina. If you're in this tornado watch area, please stay weather aware. Like I said, there's going to be another stream tonight. Hey, Weatherman, there's going to be another stream tonight. It's going to be a surprise stream. I didn't plan on having a stream here, but there was a tornado watch, a few tornado warnings. So I'm like, hey, people need to know. If you're in Mount Olive, North Carolina, Clinton, North Carolina, I'd get into your safe space. Like I said, they updated this, so I gotta nothing really. On the I-440 corridor going up towards Benson, North Carolina. If you know anybody that's traveling that way, please inform them. I'm sure they have the radio on, and there is likely the radio is going off. Currently, we have 4 tornado warnings. We have I can read the tornado watch. I haven't read the tornado watch. Storm Prediction Center has issued a tornado watch for portions of central and eastern North Carolina, eastern South Carolina, and the coastal waters. Effective this Thursday afternoon and evening from 2:20 p.m. until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Primary threats, few tornadoes likely, scattered damaging wind gusts of 70 miles per hour possible. The air mass ahead of this eastward advancing cold front will moisten and modestly destabilize this afternoon. Very strong winds through a deep layer will support the possibility of supercell storms, including a tornado, damaging wind risk. An additional round of storms, perhaps as well-organized line, will also move into the region from the west late this evening and potentially pose a severe threat. Remember, tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch areas. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. No big tornadoes. Not predicting. Probability table is not saying that there's going to be a lot of large, extremely dangerous tornadoes. But there is 60% chance of probability of 2 or more tornadoes in the area of that we were watching. Fayetteville, just to the east of Fayetteville, just kind of on that line. This kind of line, it's broken up, so in spots could potentially National Weather Service, and I need to pull up the National Weather Service chat. I haven't streamed severe weather in a while. Crazy. Which one's this one? William. One sec. There we go. Okay. If you have any questions, make sure you guys share this out on all your social medias. And I hope, like I said earlier this stream, I hope everybody is having a wonderful Christmas Eve day. I don't know if you guys got a chance to look out in the sky and see the Christmas star. that Saturn and Jupiter getting pretty close together. It hasn't happened in none of our lifetime. I have a concern right here. Let's interrupt my story. I have a concern right here near the I-40 corridor, just south of Newton Ridge or Newton Grove. There's no debris. There's debris, possibly a debris signature right here. But you can see that there is some rotation here. This is in North Carolina. Merry Christmas, Mission. I hope you are having a wonderful day. But you can see the rotation right here. I'm going to pull up GR3 or GR2. You guys want to take a quick glance at this 3D? I can probably say a safe bet that this would be the last severe weather event of the year. Well, I'm not eating right now. Okay, let's take a look at 3D. So it's not showing. Let's take another glance. Yeah, it's not giving me a good view. But if there was a tornado, it would be right here. As you can see on this. Just south of Newton Grove. Let's go back to WSV3. Let me pull up the chat. Yeah, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, suggest subscribing. I usually do severe weather events. Tonight, there will be a special stream for Christmas. I'm going to a Christmas synchronized music park. So I'm going to bring you guys along. I actually need to plug in my phone. But hello, Nick. I hope you're doing well. We have another questionable rotation. Let's check this out. Heather. Hey, Heather. Right here, see this very, very, very tight area. This is, they have a base height at 2,000 feet. This is a meso detection. Let's see. Chadbourne, this is in North Carolina. Chadbourne, 7 minutes, 29 minutes in Clarkton. All this information will be scrolling at the bottom of the screen. I want everybody to be aware of that. All this information is scrolling at the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to switch a little thing, and I'm just going to go to... I'm just going to go... I'm still here. So this tornado watch, I am actually going to pull up pivotal weather. And we're going to kind of look at... Let me pull up chat. If you guys have any questions for me or for... Just, hey, Dylan. So let's go to reflectivity. This is right around now. This is what the model is showing right. It's kind of looking like this. This is just a model. This is not, the radar is not going to look like this exactly. What we're looking for as these move to the east, northeast, and then this out into the Atlantic, we could see some potential strong winds on this system behind it. But I'm going to pull up, this is the, right here. This is what I was looking at earlier, I think. Yeah, so general hodograph, this is not a general hodograph, but this hodograph is showing at 20 degrees, 53 knots, going to the northeast. So in temperature and dew point is right around the same, about 68 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a weak supercell. Potential hazard type is a tornado. We can look at the energy helicity in that area, and it's a 2.5. So let's see what the surface-based CAPE. 700 joules per kilogram. There's no updraft is nothing that I'm concerned about. Hail is not a worry of mine. I don't think there will be a tornado touchdown. Yeah, I hope not. Definitely during this holiday season. But let's go look at. Hey, Ramsey. This will be tonight around 63 knots. Oh, it's a quick moving storm. There's not going to be any hail. No hail for this. Let's see. Oops. Yeah. So just a quick run through. We can take a glance at snow. Showing at 500 millibar, 117 knots. That's so if you're on the if you're going into Pennsylvania into New York, you're going to get some lake effect snow, and looking above a foot, in that on that lake effect snow. And you're going to be having, on this side, it's going to be likely rain. Probably, let's see. Might have some sleet, freezing rain. But the question is dry air going to be pushing so it's moist down here, but as you get onto this side, 50s, 60, so there might be a little bit of dry air, as you can see here. It's kind of where that shifting point was that we seen. So you see how it stops right here? I know we're not doing winter right now, like winter coverage, but see how it stops right here? That's because there's not enough moisture in the air to... It's running into 20-30% humidity. So if you're into that Virginia, North Carolina, West Virginia, going into that eastern part of Pennsylvania, even into New York City, and then Washington, D.C., New Hampshire, you're not looking too much snow. You likely will get maybe some rain. Other than that, then the severe weather is going to stay in the Carolinas. Now let's look at, as we looking down here, temperatures are in the 70s, 69, going into Georgia, 71, going all the way up into Virginia, about 59 degrees. You're in North Carolina? Well, stay safe. Have good holidays. Appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Let's go over to WSV3 and let's look at some of these tornado warnings. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in Georgia. Tornado possible. So Cook County in south central Georgia, Barron County in south central Georgia, Lanier County in south central Georgia, Lowrides County in south central Georgia, Brooks County in south central Georgia, eastern Colquitt County in south central Georgia, southeastern Tilt County in south central Georgia until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:02, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Omega, 9 miles south of Boston, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour, 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Locations impacted is Nashville, Adel, Voltesta, Lake Park, Lakeland, Quitman, Trifton, Hire, Sparks, Engba, Omega, Ray City, Lenore, Alpha, I-75 at exit 16, Moody Air Force Base, Rimerton, Meigs, Dasher, and Morven. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Tornado is possible. No hail threat. Wind is 60 miles per hour. Let's move on up to these storms. These are all radar indicated. We have no confirmed tornado as of right now. We have some rotation here, but a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Clarion, or 10 miles southwest of Whiteville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. That's in this area. Not too concerned about that. Let's move here. We have this little area. Severe thunderstorm, or a tornado warning for northern Sampson County in central North Carolina, southeastern Cumberland County in central North Carolina. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Ammon, or 12 miles southwest of Clinton, moving northeast at 45. So that would be in this area. Here's Clinton. The storm is moving at, but it's going to remain over rural areas, so that is a good thing not to be worried. But if you're out on the road, please stay weather aware. Know your surroundings. Hey, Landon. If I missed your name, just say hey and I will say hey back to you. Ooh. This is the storm that's concerning. I keep an eye on that one. Let me play that through. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on that one. That's yeah, Clinton should be getting some rain, strong winds. Can't rule out a spin up. Sorry I didn't do a gaming stream. I will do a gaming stream soon, sometime. It's all a matter of but is Reed Timmer in on that storm? frozen. I said frozen. I don't know why it's frozen. OBS updated as well, so. There's been we got a report of a tornado. There's been a report of a tornado. I just got it. Train spot 4 miles east of Evergreen. This is Columbia County, North Carolina. Train spotter reports tornado. Apparent tornado near Silver Spoon Road moving towards Bladen County. Captured in pictures and video. If a mod can see if they can find that picture, I can go look as well. Any mod or anybody. Actually, you don't have to be a mod. Just they continued the radar indicated in Bladen and Columbus, North Carolina, and they issued a tornado warning for Columbus, North Carolina, and Horry, South Carolina. That's this one right here. And take a quick glance at this. Where I live, it is very cold out. See if you can find. I'll go look it up. Here's the rotation that we're looking. Let's look at correlation coefficient. This could be a debris signature. I'm gonna. This is. This is where they reported it. I'm gonna look up Twitter. On Twitter. Let's see. I don't see any. Yeah, I don't see anything. But supposedly it was in this tornado warning. And I don't see any debris. We could have a little bit of rotation here. A little bit of rotation just to the west of Clarkton. I don't see any videos. Let's see, photos. Yeah, I don't got any reports on that. Yeah, it is duck. It is cold up here. Wind chill yesterday, I think, reached about negative 35 or 40. Oh, reports of a funnel cloud. Let's go read that report. Emergency management, 5 miles northeast of Salemburg in Sampson County, North Carolina. Emergency management reports funnel cloud. Unconfirmed report of a funnel cloud at 5 Bridge Road and Bearskin Road, Sampson County, North Carolina. They did issue another mesos discussion. Severe weather threat for tornado watch 518 continues. We've had 518 tornado watches this year. It's like an average of 2 a day, almost. The risk for a few tornadoes should increase through about 23Z. That is about 5 Central Standard Time, 6 Eastern Standard Time. Actually, 7 Eastern Standard Time, 6. No, it's 5. Within a broken band of convection from the North Carolina-South Carolina coastal border, northward across portions of eastern North Carolina. So they're saying the Cape is less than 500 joules per kilogram. We've seen that on the model. Broken band of low-topped but deepening convection within confluence axis is ongoing across far eastern South Carolina into portions of eastern North Carolina east of Raleigh metro area. Several cells within this band have acquired low-level rotation, although largely weak in magnitude thus far. The 18Z sounding sampled an initially warm, dry layer near 700 millibars, which has likely been a limiting factor. However, surface dew points have creeped into the mid-60s from eastern South Carolina and southern North Carolina, which is yielding increasing buoyancy from south to north. Cape values in between 5 to 1,000 joules per kilogram. So a few of these cells, especially those certainly near the North Carolina and South Carolina border area, should acquire more intense supercell rotational velocity and yield an increasing threat for tornadoes through about 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There we have it for that. Merry Christmas, Jerry. I appreciate it. I hope you have a good day. Welcome, EMA fam. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. We did have a report of a tornado and we've had a funnel report from the emergency management. They issued another tornado warning. National Weather Service in Williamson has issued a tornado warning for central Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina and north central Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina at 3:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Apsburg, or 9 miles southwest of Elizabethtown. So here's Elizabethtown. Moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. At 3:13, train spotters reported a funnel cloud on US 701 west of Whiteville, but no tornado was visible at the time. So that would be down here. Tonight's stream is going to be one sec. This dangerous storm that this tornado warning is on will be near Elizabethtown and Bladen Community College around 3:35. So in about 10 minutes. Ruskin around 3:40. White Oaks around 3:45 Eastern Standard Time. Amun around 3:55. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Dublin. This is all in North Carolina, by the way. Clarkton, White Lake, Bladen County Hospital. This includes U.S. Route 74 near mile marker 382 between mile markers 391 and 392. If you are in these areas, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. That is that. This is radar indicated. We have this area right here that's concerning. Of the concern, let's look at correlation coefficient. This may be delayed a little bit, so the question is this from the radar? And there is a little over 25 likes. Let's get it to 30. Kathleen. But back to, like I said, this is headed into the Clarkton area. Please, if you're in Clarkton, you know anybody in Clarkton, seek shelter. This kind of has a hook. It has, train spotters have said that there was a visible funnel, so we need to keep an eye on that. I don't know why they didn't call it in, but now we have a meso detection strength index 4. What's this one? We got close to Fremont or near Princeton, or National Weather Service in Raleigh, North Carolina has issued a tornado warning for Wayne County in central North Carolina, southeastern Johnson County in central North Carolina. Till 4 p.m. Eastern. At 3:15 Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles northwest of Mount Olive, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Goldsboro at 3:35, Fremont. So that's this storm right here. We do have another tornado warning that was issued. This is just adding on to this. Let's look at rotation. This is kind of outflow dominant. So, but if you're in Fremont, Pikeville, Eureka, please seek shelter. Let's go back. Wind reports down here in Georgia. Okay. Let's keep an eye on these Fremonts. I think that was pretty outflow dominant. This still hasn't let up. There's a big rainstorm last Thursday, and there was hail and wind. It was so crazy. Where was this located? Here, let me plug in my phone. Hey. You okay? You okay? Are you okay? My dog just scared me there for a second. Oh, you don't have to tell me where you live. I was just wondering what. Oh, Central California. No, wait. So I'm going to switch over to national radar. Oh, there's a severe thunderstorm warning up here north of Richmond. A severe thunderstorm was located near Windham or near Tuckahoe, moving northeast. This is in Virginia. So if you're in that warning, 60-mile-per-hour winds are possible. Welcome back. This is what it's looking like right now. You see where that front is. And then it'd be a lot of snow that's going to be in this area. What time? 2:33. So, special weather statement for northeastern Georgetown, southeastern. Let's see what that's. Strong thunderstorm near Myrtle Beach. I seen they have this area in a 10% risk for tornadoes. Isn't that crazy? It's like a week from tomorrow. It'll be 2021. Unless we all wake up and imagine 30. They decide to add a 32nd day in December. Our luck for 2020. So remember, all warnings and watches are scrolling at the bottom of the screen. I know it says November goal. I haven't been on my Streamlabs. Change it. Let's see what that warning or that. There's a storm that's heading into Myrtle Beach that potentially has 40-mile-per-hour winds. But that should be out of there within the next 20 to 30 minutes. Wouldn't surprise me if we woke up and they added a day 32. No. Ready for the new year. Next week, or next year. Hopefully we, I know I wanted to wait till 5,000 subscribers, but maybe if we get 3,000 subscribers, maybe I'll do another giveaway. Way better days are coming. Jonathan, it's crazy. Yesterday, wind chill was like negative 40. We went from the day before, we went from like 36 degrees above zero to waking up. And, you know, my dog Snowflake, the weather dog, we went outside and it was windy. It was windy. It was cold. Do you have tornado in USA? There's been reports today that there has been a tornado. So Snowflake and I, we went out. Yes, I bundled up. I can't find her jacket. I don't know where her coat is. We walk outside. Wind's about 30 sustained winds and gusts, maybe about 40, maybe 42 during the time. So it was cold. I told Snow, like, hey, go to the bathroom, and she lifts her leg, like, her back legs, because she didn't have her boots on. Lift her back leg, and she looked at me like, nah, I ain't about this life, and then she started running for the door, and it's like, well, there's not much I can do. Like, you know, And those boots are a pain to put on. But I might have to do it this year. I don't like putting them on. Yeah, Snowflake needs a new coat, but, unfortunately with my job thing and everything that's going on. If she was an outside dog, I would and her boots are a pain. We were in a blizzard warning. I want to see what this looks like. On the next scan. Take a glance. Yeah, I know you are. It is Christmas Eve. Hey, Alina. Merry Christmas to you too as well. Haven't seen you in a while. I know I haven't been streaming. There's stuff going on in my life, but, I was like, tornado watch today. Tornado warnings, let's go. I gotta stream and get up. This is concerning right here. But, Elena, I hope you are doing well, staying healthy. Come on, give us a live sweep. And I hope you enjoy Christmas. Hope everybody enjoys Christmas. Why isn't it doing live sweeps? And maybe we'll get it now. Come on. Come on. And much love from the United States, Elena. And Merry Christmas. And I wish you good going into the new year. She's a small dog. Maybe the new update. Oh, there's a severe thunderstorm. For inch-size hail, the updraft must be decent. Severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Clayton or 9 miles west of Smithfield, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Raleigh is a little bit to the east or west of it. Oh, there. Now it's up here. So that is rotation. What we're looking at right now. So this is straight east of Benson, south of Princeton in North Carolina. We are looking at rotation. Maybe I can pull up. We have a couple. There's one to the west of Princeton as well. Yeah, a few more severe thunderstorm warnings. Tornado possible in Dale City one. Richmond, this is in Virginia. That one's headed kind of in the direction of Washington, D.C. So I'm going to kind of keep zoomed in on this. I'll be right back. If you guys do happen to leave before I come back, Merry Christmas. And I will be right back. And tonight, tune in for the special stream. I'm back. What is their special stream? One sec. Cascadia night? What's that? $254. Social media report: funnel cloud, funnel viewed from intersection of McKee Road and Highway 211 looking south. It shouldn't be dropping. It's just a line of tornado warnings. If you are in a tornado warning, please seek shelter. Don't wait to hear or see the tornado. Because these are quick moving storms. So are you guys there? Heather? Hello? No, okay. Yeah, as of right now, there's only been one tornado report. And that was 4 miles east of Evergreen in North Carolina. Hey, Seth. Welcome. All right. I'm A-okay. Is my internet? What's going on with my internet? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna leave this. Okay. Hey everybody, it's James Weatherman here. We got some rotation here. I seen on camera that there was some lowering in this area. Down here they have a tornado vortex signature at TVS of 62 knots, maximum delta velocity. It's about 3,000 feet, so it's not really high, but there was lowering. Here's another one. We got 2,000 feet. This is kind of the area where I seen the video of the lowering. So, we're going to see on this next live scan. It's right here. Let's check correlation coefficient. Hey, and there is some debris signature. So let's go. Let's look at this 3D. And it might be producing a little bit of hail, but this is it, right here. Just south of Clinton. Likely producing, well, it's for sure has a lowering, but it is pretty likely that it's going to produce a tornado. This is south of Clinton and Bennetville. Tornado warning remains in effect until 4:30 Eastern Standard Time. At 4:13 Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorm cable producing a tornado was located near Clinton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas. But if you're in those areas, please seek shelter. Excuse me. In about an hour or so, I'm going to end, but stay tuned because, hey, Cycle, Merry Christmas as well. Stay tuned. Tonight there's a special stream. Reminder. This should stay to the south or to the east of Clinton. It's kind of moving in this direction. So it's looking like it's hopefully staying to the... You can see up here. But if I was in Clinton, I would be for sure taking shelter. So, this storm is in Clinton, North Carolina. See the debris signature. Thank you, by the way, to Michelle. For your donation, and Merry Christmas to you as well. Much appreciated. First gift of the year. So I kind of stayed to the east of Clinton. Okay. Let's go look up here. Unless a confirmed tornado pops up, I'm going to probably stream for another 15 minutes or so, and then I'm going to get ready for tonight. Remember, next severe weather season, come back and for sure I'm not retiring. I'll be streaming next severe weather season. If that means it starts in March again. Hopefully we don't have an outbreak in April again. But I will be here. And I'll move the giveaway to 3,000 subscribers. So let all your friends and family know. Let me look at the National Weather Service chat real quick. Let me look at Storm Prediction Center. Nothing new. I think I am assuming that they're going to extend this tornado warning. My great assumption is they're going to extend this. Tornado warning. Nope. Nothing new. Just quick spin ups. Some lowering. I'm sure there's several wall clouds on these and shelf clouds. Sure, if you're in Goldsboro, looking west, you can see probably a nice shelf cloud. Okay, for all your new viewers, Merry Christmas as well, Snippy. Hey, Tennessee. There will be a new stream tonight. Okay, I'll be streaming live. It's a special stream. I hope everybody tunes in. It's for Christmas. So tune in if you're in this tornado watched area. Please stay weather aware. Next year, I'm going to be doing a severe weather as well. Again, not changing. But I'm going to sign off now, and I'm going to see you guys. Please tune in tonight. Probably 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So it would be 5 East Coast and 8 or 5 West Coast and 8 East Coast. But just stay tuned to the channel. Just stay tuned to the channel. It's not going to be a long stream. Probably at most 30 minutes. At most. But stay tuned. And I'll see you guys then. Thank you guys. If you're in the tornado watch, please stay weather aware. Please listen to your local news. And if you can't tune in tonight, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. And if I don't talk to you before the New Year's, wish you well into New Year's. And I will see you tonight. Thank you guys, everybody. Stay weather aware.